Is your iPhone screaming, storage almost full again? What if I told you there's a 2026 ready iPhone Optimizer that clears space, compresses photos and videos, transfer data safely, and even locks your private files in a secure privacy vault? Stay till the end, and this might be the smartest upgrade your iPhone will get this year. And with its artificial intelligence feature, the iCareFone is gonna amaze you today. So the application which you'll be using to get all these features on a single page is called iCareFone, Phone Transfer and Clean. I've mentioned the download link in the description. Just click on that and it will automatically take you to this page. As you can see that I'm manually searching it on my app store that is called iCareFone, Phone Transfer and Clean. Just simply click on download and after that it will be ready to use. As you can see that I've already downloaded, so I will just simply click on open. And now this is a very friendly interface of iCareFone application, as we have got all the features on a single page. So the first option which we have got is oversized photos. I will simply click on it and I will show you each and every single feature, how it works and how it is beneficial for your iPhone. So as you can see that these are the oversized photos in my iPhone. Some of them has got 6 MB, some of them has got 11 MB size, but to be very honest, I don't need all of them, and I know these are the reason why I have no space on my iPhone. I will just simply click on select all, as I don't need all of them. That is almost 48 files, and boom, that's it. The iCareFone has successfully removed all the oversized photos from this iPhone, which I know it will be nearly impossible to find these iPhones manually in your gallery, but with the help of iCareFone it will be just gone with a single click. Now let's jump to another one, screenshot. And as you can see that I have got almost 339 screenshots, and all of them are quite outdated. As you can see that they are from 2024 and 2023, and probably these days I won't need this. So what I will do, I will just simply click on delete and the iCareFone will do the magic and all of the screenshot will be gone with just a single click. Now let's jump to another one, that is similar photos, and here we go. So as you can see that we have got so many similar photos, that is almost 74, and all of them are duplicate in my gallery, which will be nearly impossible for me to find them and then manually delete them. But with the help of iCareFone, all you just need to click on delete and it will just ask you for confirmation, and that's it. So now only duplicate has been deleted, but the original photos would be in my gallery. Again, you have another option, that is blur photos. Obviously no one would need blurred photo, you can just simply delete them with just a single click and that's it. Then we have photo compression. So now as you can see that all these photos in your gallery that is a bit oversized, but this application wouldn't recommend you to delete that, while you can compress them. So basically, for example, now one of the photo is 4 MB, you can just simply compress it and probably that will become 2 to 3 MB, while everything will stay the same. I mean quality of the photo. So I just mark all of them and compress. I will definitely click on advanced because I don't want the quality to be affected, and it might take a couple of seconds. That's it. So all the photos has been successfully compressed, like almost around 40 to 50%. Now here comes the important part, and that is remove GPS. So basically, as far as I know, there would be thousands of photos in your gallery that where you wouldn't even need the GPS location. And now you might be thinking, what is actually that? So basically every photos has got their own GPS. As for example, if I just click on this photo, it has got all the time, date, obviously the date, but the GPS inside the photos, which I wouldn't really need. So with the help of iCareFone, you can simply remove the GPS, which will save a lot of your space on your iPhone. So definitely I will just simply click on remove GPS from 56 images and that's it. Now let me just show you practically if it's really happened. And as you can see that I've just came to the same photo where the iCareFone has successfully removed the GPS, and definitely we would have got some free space. Then here comes large videos. It will just detect all the large videos on your iPhone, and as you can see that I have got 1 GB and 1.7 GB of videos, which probably I don't need, but technically it will really hard for me to find them manually in my gallery, but the iCareFone will just bring that with a single click, and it's up to you after that, but I will just simply delete them. Another option we have is called video compression. So basically, if you have got some videos which you can't delete because it is something important, but the iCareFone would be able to help you to compress the video and reduce the size without affecting the quality. To be very honest, this application has saved a lot of my storage. I'm gonna show you at the end of this video how much we saved in this video. Now here comes the artificial intelligence cleaning options which we just talked in the start of the video. So if you just click on start cleaning, it will remove so many things which you really don't need. For example, some burst photos, that includes calendar, GIF files, live photos, and so many things. You can just click on that if you really want. For example, I will click on burst photo, which nobody would need, and then just simply click on clean. iCareFone will just simply kick them out from your iPhone. Other than that, we have got privacy space. So for example, this is a kind of secure wallet in your iPhone which nobody will find out. The only thing you just need to do, scan your Face ID, set the password for this folder, and after that you would be able to import photos, files, and contacts as well. So for example, I just want to import one of the file, probably that would be this one, and just click on done. It will ask me, do you want to delete the original file from your gallery? And of course, I just want to delete it from the gallery and leave it in my privacy vault. Later on, you can easily download it from here, and also you can view it by entering the password or scanning your Face ID, which is quite secure, and obviously nobody will find out that there are some private photos. You can also import photos and files as well, and as well as contacts. Now, one of the most interesting feature of iCareFone that is basically connected to your PC, Mac or Android. In this video, I will just simply show you physically by connecting the iPhone to the Android, and with the help of this, you would be able to transfer your files, photos, videos from iPhone to Android. I'm going to show you how. All you just need to enter this IP into your Android by typing in your browser. All you just need to click on enter. It seems impossible, but this is true. You can transfer all your iPhone files to Android by using this IP, and as you can see that I can see the iPhone photos on the Android just like here on the screen. And for example, I will try to download some of the photos on my Android from iPhone without even connecting through wire, we don't even need computer, and we don't even need anything else. All you just need to enter that IP and you will be there. Let me just do that. Click on the photos, and after that you will see the download button on the top of that. So the photo has been successfully downloaded, and here you go. You can also do the same with the videos and other files if you want to transfer from iPhone to Android and iPhone to computer without having any cable, without having any other accessories. Then we have got another feature that is called performance test. So basically it's a kind of internet test. You might not need this, but still you will get this inside the iCareFone application, which will tell you about your download speed, upload speed, and ping device at the moment. We also have got file manager where you can import your files just like Android, and you will be able to see that and manage from the iCareFone. So basically the iCareFone is just all-in-one tools. You can free up spaces, you can download your iPhone to the computer, and you can also delete duplicate files and free up a lot of space on your iPhone within just 5 minutes. So as you can see that we have cleared almost 4 to 5 GB within just 5 minutes in this video from this iPhone. This is quite easy to use. All you just need to follow these instructions and you will be able to clear a lot of storage on your old iPhone. Let me know if you guys have got any questions regarding this video. Also, if you guys have got any problem while using this application, please drop a comment. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.